Welcome to our quick guide on viewing who has read your message in a WhatsApp group updated. If you've ever wondered who saw your message and when, you're not alone. Today, we'll walk through the exact steps to check message recipients in a group chat on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet so everything loads smoothly. Next, head to the group where you've sent a message you want to track. Tap and hold the specific message you're curious about. This action brings up a menu with several options. In the upper right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to reveal more choices. From the drop-down menu, select Info. This opens a message info screen showing a list of group members who have seen the message and, in some cases, those who have delivered it. On the message info screen, you'll find read by or seen by followed by the names of participants who have opened the message. Depending on your WhatsApp version, you might see the exact times each person read the message or simply a check mark indicating it was delivered. This detail helps you gauge engagement in the group and understand who's paying attention to your updates. If you don't see a list under info, it could be because not all participants have read the message yet, or because you're viewing a message in a group where read receipts are temporarily unavailable due to privacy settings or a recent update. In some cases, group admins can adjust privacy configurations, but for standard messages in most groups, the read receipts are visible once the message has been opened. A practical tip: if you are trying to confirm whether important information has reached everyone, consider tagging specific members or pinning a post within the group. This can prompt faster responses and ensure visibility. Remember that read receipts rely on participants having their read receipts enabled, so there might be times when you don't see who read a message, even after some time. As you explore WhatsApp's features, you'll notice how similar steps apply to other messages in the chat. The key is selecting the message, opening the info panel, and checking the read by or seen by list. By following these steps, you'll stay informed about who has engaged with your group messages without any guesswork. If you found this walkthrough helpful, let us know in the comments which WhatsApp feature you'd like explained next. Thanks for watching,